Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. Billionaires, I am back with another update video for you guys. Bells right now sitting at 25 cents, just at $15.2 million in market cap. Volume at 495K. Volume came down a bit, but that's fine, guys, because we are already seeing a little spike up here in the price for Bells. You know, it dropped to 23 cents, already doing a little spike up. The entire market is starting to move, and I think Bells is going to start to move as well. Even if it's kind of like lagging right now, that's fine. Again, things take time, especially in this space. Don't go chasing green candles to sell your conviction bags, and then all of a sudden your conviction bags start pumping. You FOMO back into the conviction. The green candle you chased dumped, and now you're buying back the conviction with less an amount that you had before, guys. Don't let that happen, right? Bell's doing pretty good for him, in my opinion, because it's looking like, from my opinion, that we have a cup and handle. We just made the handle, and now we're breaking out off the handle, right? All we got to do as a community is just keep pushing forward, letting people know, shilling Bells, sharing the attention, and hopefully we get tier 1 exchange listings in the future, or some type of catalyst to move us in the right, even further in the right direction. You know, maybe people start trading on Bells more. Maybe Dogecoin starts exploding, and then people find out about Bells. Some KOLs all of a sudden start to talk about Bells. More KOLs, right? It's just gonna take time, and we just have to keep pushing as a community, because, guys, this move up that we had back here in Bells last year in July was massive, right? And you know, it might be kind of slow right now, slow pace, moving up right now, but again, when projects start moving, they just absolutely shock everyone, and it just explode out of here. I'm telling you, right? I'm giving Bells the rocket ships on CoinGecko. So you know, let people know this is bullish, right? Now, this is the thing. Again, still up from that 15-cent level. It might feel like it's a slow cook. That's fine. Projects that slow cook eventually start to, you know, heat up, and then boom. That's when you see them absolutely explode. From just send it, invest in blockchain, invest in memes, Bells. XG, imagine being an influencer and not talking about Bells. Not gonna make it. That's exactly what I'm saying, man. From S on Chain, not much Bells are available to buy. Supply shock very soon. And he's looking at the order books. The order books for Bells are very thin. The order books for Bells is very thin, guys. I'm telling you. Like, if we see, you know, top, you know, whales, or bigger, not even top whales, but just an influx of more, you know, smaller buyers buying into Bells, it's gonna eat up that supply, because when you try to buy Bells on like Mexi or CoinX, it's very tough to get in at, you know, the exact price you're buying for, because the order book is so thin, right? And that means it's a great time to accumulate as well. Say we see people coming in buying tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars in Bells, that price will start to skyrocket, in my opinion. It will just absolutely go ballistic. It'll go out of here. I'm telling you guys. So yeah, don't be too worried right now about the lagging price action. In my opinion, I think it's gonna take off for Bells. The Bells coin daily sounds like Bells liftoff is next. The inflation curve has officially been flattened for Bells, and you know, we just need more KOLs like altcoin daily speak about Bells again. Crypto Gains talking about Bells. I'm talking about Bells. You guys are talking about Bells. Doge on the run. Bells follows soon. And Doge is moving up pretty nicely here. Doge is at 23 cent. Bitcoin and ETH doing great as well, guys. I think this could be the start of the alt season. I really do believe this could be the start of the alt season. And, you know, that would be amazing to see, guys. So if you're holding Bells, keep holding. If you want to get into the project, now's a great time. Accumulate and be patient. Tony Punch, the thing about Bells, you won't find bots shilling it on YouTube comments or on X. Just natural fans. It's a wholesome vintage proof of work layer 1 cryptocurrency, and has many use cases formulating its value. The mining rewards just dropped to 2 bells per block forever. Something's got to give, and I agree with Tony Punch right there. Something has got to give. You see Needy stacking bells like there's no tomorrow. Bells Coin Russia, bells, hold it down. From scalps.soul, reminder, bells millionaires will be made. So this was back in March. Massive account that spoke about bells, you know, when it started moving, right? And this is what I'm talking about, guys. Don't jump in the project when you see the massive accounts start talking about it. So that was back in March, right? So now not much big accounts are talking about it. That's when you want to get into the project. That's when you want to accumulate, because by the time the big accounts start talking about the project, you know, that's when you might be like, okay, let me take a bit of profit on bells here, right? I'm telling you guys, it's this space is in my opinion about to go into the real rally, and probably the final rally for the cycle. And you know, you just have to be patient. If your project is already up from the lows, that's great. Bells is already up from the lows. Might take some time for bells to really take off, but that's okay. Again, don't FOMO the green candles. Don't go chasing those green candles. Just be patient, keep stacking. And again, this bull run, I think bells gets to the multi-billions in market cap, as you know, just the fire picks up, the heat picks up for bells. You never know. Remember, anything is possible in this space, guys. And I know if you're going through it, you don't have that much money to invest. This is a project where, you know, like right now, $1,600 in bells could potentially net you $30,000 to $100,000, guys. That's the future. We're talking even 2 to 300,000 if it gets to 2 to 3 billion this cycle, right? And you would be shocked how fast these projects could start to move, in my opinion, right? I've seen it time and time again. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're new to the channel, if you've already been around, let's share, let's spread the message. Let's get bells out there to everyone, guys. Word of mouth is the best thing to spread the message of a project. Word of mouth, right? If you want to support further, my bells wallet is in the description down below. Just if you send any bells to me to support the content, to support the videos, just comment and let me know. Comment in the comment section, let me know, and then I'll shout you out in the next video, guys. But yeah, man, bells cooking. Something is cooking. There are over 500,000 bells holder at under 20 mil market cap. Something is cooking with bells. It might not seem like it right now, but you can see this little spike up, man. Just give it time, guys. Just give it time, and I'll catch you in the next one.